Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're doing a deep dive into a product called RevivaGlow. You've probably heard the buzz about it being a natural breakthrough for healthy-looking skin. So what we're going to do is unpack everything, what's in it, how it's supposed to work, and we'll even look at the special offer they have going on. Everything we cover today comes straight from their official info, so let's jump right in.
All right, let's kick things off with a question that, let's be honest, probably hits home for a lot of us. Are you on that search for that youthful, radiant glow? You know, that look of healthy skin. It's something pretty much everyone wants, right? But to get there, we first have to understand why our skin changes in the first place.
And this right here, this gets straight to the science of it all. It's not really a secret, right? As we get older, our body's ability to produce collagen and elastin starts to slow down. And if you're not familiar, those are basically the two key proteins that act like the scaffolding for our skin, keeping it firm and bouncy.
So what happens when that production slows down? Well, that's when we start to see the changes in the mirror. Our skin might not feel as firm, it loses some of that, that snapback elasticity, and that natural radiance can start to fade a bit. Now, this is a totally normal part of life, but it's also exactly the thing that people are looking for help with.
Okay, so that brings us to the solution we're looking at today, RevivaGlow. It's introduced as a formula that's been specifically put together to help support your skin's health as it goes through these natural changes.
All right, so let's peek under the hood, shall we? This is what's inside every single capsule. And wow, you can see it's quite a proprietary blend. We've got key vitamins like folate, B12, and biotin, which are well known for skin and hair health. But then you've also got some really interesting ingredients like Angelica Gigas, sarsaparilla, and even Avian Eggshell Membrane. It really looks like they're taking a holistic, inside-out approach to supporting your skin.
And it's not just about what's in it, but also the philosophy behind it. These are the core principles of RevivaGlow. They're really highlighting that it's a natural formula, it's super easy to use, there are no stimulants, and it's non-GMO. So the whole vibe here is clean, simple, and straightforward.
So how is this all supposed to work? Well, they break it down into this really simple three-step process. Step 1, you take it, and your body gets all these nourishing compounds. Step 2, and this is the really key part, it's designed to support your body's own natural ability to produce collagen and elastin. And step 3, the goal is that you'll see the results, skin that appears firmer, brighter, and more elastic.
All right, next up we have just a number, 14,568. What could that be all about? And there's the answer. That's the number of reviews they have. Over 14,000. That is a lot of feedback. It tells you right away that a ton of people have already tried this out for themselves.
So, with that many people jumping on board, you're probably curious about the actual deal, right? Let's get into the exclusive offer they've put together. It's really all about three things: some cool bonuses, big savings, and a solid guarantee.
Okay, first up in the offer section, we see this number, $108. Now, hold on, that's not the price of the product. It's actually the value of something you get for free. And here's what it is. That $108 is the total value of the free bonuses you get, and they're totally free, thrown in at no extra charge when you grab the 6-bottle supply.
So, what are these bonuses? Let's take a look. Bonus number 1 is an ebook called Unlock the Secret to Perfect Hair. I mean, who doesn't want that? And bonus number 2 is the ultimate guide to perfect nails. So it's not just about skin. They're giving you a little something extra for your hair and nails too, kind of like a total beauty package. Now let's talk money, because this is where the savings really kick in. This chart lays it all out pretty clearly. If you buy 1 bottle, you pay the highest price per bottle. Go for the 3-bottle supply and that price drops. But look at the 6-bottle supply. That's where you get the absolute best price per bottle.
And this pretty much sums up why the 6-bottle package is the one most people go for. I mean, you get that massive discount, you get the 2 free bonuses we just talked about, and you get free shipping in the US. It's kind of the whole shebang, which explains why they say 96% of their customers choose this option. And finally, to really seal the deal and make you feel confident, there's the guarantee. This is a big one. It's a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That means you get a full 2 months to try it out. If for any reason you're not happy, you can get your money back. That basically makes it a risk-free purchase.
Okay, before we wrap this up, let's quickly tackle a couple of the most common questions people have. These are answered right on their page. First question, and it's a big one that I think we all ask before buying anything online these days: is this a one-time payment?
And the answer is a very clear and simple yes. It is a one-time purchase. There are no hidden fees, no surprise auto-ship programs, none of that sneaky stuff. You pay once, and that's it.
Next up is a practical question. So how do you actually use it? Is it complicated?
Nope, couldn't be simpler. You just take one capsule once a day with a glass of water or whatever you're drinking. That's it. It's designed to be super easy to fit into your morning routine without even thinking about it.
So, we've looked at the science, the ingredients, the deal. It really all boils down to this. Are you ready to support your skin's natural health and help bring back some of that radiance?
If what we've talked about today sounds interesting to you and you want to check it out for yourself, the next step is super easy. Just click the link down in the description. That'll take you right over to the official page where you can see everything and grab that discounted price with the free bonuses. Thanks so much for tuning in for this breakdown.